Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change profile picture on Call of Duty mobile game. If you want to change your profile picture on Call of Duty, then the process is quite straightforward. So let's get started. First of all, open your Call of Duty mobile application on your mobile device and make sure that you're signed into one of your accounts. After signing into your account, go ahead and tap on the profile picture at the top left corner right in front of your username. After you do that, click on Basic from the left-hand side menu. Now, click on your profile picture right in front of your name again, and from here, you can easily change your avatar frame, and other options displayed on the screen. To change your profile picture, go ahead and select one of the avatars, and you can also use frames for your avatar if available. After you are done, click on the Show button, and you will then be able to change your avatar or your profile picture for your Call of Duty game. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.